Hi friends, I'm Melissa from Be Kindergarten Ready. Today we've got a very special book to read. I really do hope you like it. Before we dive into our book, preschool parents and guardians, I've got a free gift for you. If you'd like to find out more on how you can help get your child ready for kindergarten, click the link in the description below to claim your checklist that provides a list of skills your child needs to know for school. Now, if you have this book at home, be sure to go get it and follow along with me.
Strictly No Elephants is written by Lisa Mantchev and illustrated by Taeeun You. The trouble with having a tiny elephant for a pet is that you never quite fit in. No one else has an elephant. Every day I take my elephant for a walk. His is a very thoughtful sort of walk. He doesn't like the cracks in the sidewalk much. I always go back and help him over. That's what friends do, lift each other over the cracks. Today I'm walking my tiny elephant to number 17. It's Pet Club Day and everyone will be there. Come along. There's a good boy. I coax him over the last few feet. It'll be fine. When I look up, there's a sign on the door. Strictly No Elephants. My tiny elephant leads me back to the sidewalk, never minding the cracks. That's what friends do. Brave the scary things for you. Did you try to go to the pet club meeting too? The girl asks. Yes, I say, but they don't allow elephants. The sign didn't mention skunks, the girl says, but they don't want us to play with them either. They don't know any better, I tell her. He doesn't stink, the girl adds. No, he doesn't, I agree. What if we start our own club? Come along, I say, making certain that my tiny elephant follows me, because that's what friends do. Never leave anyone behind. We can play here, one of our new friends says. All of us. So we paint our own sign. All are welcome. My tiny elephant will give you directions if you need them. Because that's what friends do.
And that's our book, friends. I hope you loved it as much as I did. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a fabulous day. Bye!